Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili beans with ground beef. First, ensure you have all your ingredients prepped and ready to go. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of ground beef, 1 large onion, and 2 bell peppers. Also, grab 2 15-ounce cans of kidney beans and 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. Don't forget your spices: chili powder, cumin, garlic powder, and salt. Having everything measured out makes the cooking process much smoother. Now let's get cooking. In a large pot or Dutch oven, brown your 1.5 pounds of ground beef over medium-high heat. Break it up as it cooks until it's no longer pink. Once browned, carefully drain off any excess fat, leaving just about 2 tablespoons in the pot. Then, add your diced onion and bell peppers to the pot, sautéing them until they become tender and fragrant, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. With your beef and vegetables ready, it's time to build that rich chili flavor. Stir in the 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, the 2 15-ounce cans of kidney beans, and all your spices. Add about 1 cup of water or beef broth to achieve your desired consistency. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for at least 30 minutes or even longer for deeper flavor. Your delicious chili beans with ground beef are almost ready. Before serving, give it a taste and adjust the seasonings as needed. You might want a little more salt, chili powder, or even a pinch of cayenne for extra heat. Serve it hot with your favorite toppings, like shredded cheddar cheese, a dollop of sour cream, or fresh cilantro. For more great tips and deals, check the description below this video. Enjoy your homemade chili.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.